If a dryer is taking too long to dry a load of laundry, it's likely the airflow is being restricted by lint or other debris clogging the vent line. The entire length of the vent should be cleaned out at least once a year to maintain the dryer's efficiency. To do this, you will need to move the appliance away from the wall and loosen a clamp to detach the vent line. With the venting detached, use a dedicated vent brush to clean out the entire length of the vent line, all the way to the exterior vent hood. Once the vent line is clear of lint and debris, reattach the venting to the dryer's exhaust outlet and secure it with the clamp. Move the dryer back into position, but be sure to keep it several inches away from the wall to maintain proper airflow. As part of a laundry routine, always clean out the lint filter after every load. And, if necessary, replace a damaged or worn filter with a new one. You should also consider using a vacuum to clean the inside of the dryer cabinet every 2 to 3 years to ensure the appliance is always able to dry efficiently.